In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group rows and columns in Google Sheets. This is a handy feature when dealing with large data sets, as it helps you to organize and declutter your spreadsheet. By grouping rows or columns, you can easily hide details that aren't immediately relevant, making your sheet much more manageable and visually appealing. To get started, first, open your Google Sheets document and identify which rows or columns you want to group together. Once you've decided, simply click to select your chosen row or column. For instance, if you're dealing with a lengthy financial report, you may want to group together all expense-related rows for a cleaner view. Once you've made your selection, move your cursor over and right-click to bring up the context menu. From this list of options, look for and click on Group Rows or Group Columns, depending on your selection. It's that straightforward. You'll notice a small grey line with a minus or plus icon on the left side of your grouped section. This visual cue indicates that your selection has been successfully grouped. Now, this grouping feature also has an added benefit: the ability to collapse or expand sections at will. By clicking the minus icon, you can hide all the detailed rows within that group, leaving you with a summarized view. If you ever need to peek into the details again, simply click the plus icon to expand the group. This flexibility allows you to streamline your workflow and access crucial information with a simple click, improving your productivity and focus. A particularly interesting aspect of Google Sheets is the option to nest or add groups within existing groups. If you find yourself working on a highly complex project, this feature is invaluable. To do this, just follow the exact procedure we talked about earlier. Within an already grouped section, select the specific row or column you want to create a new group. Right-click and choose Group Rows or Group Columns from the menu. This will create a subgroup within your existing group, giving you even greater control over how you manage and view your data. And there you have it, an effective way to bring simplicity and order to all the data-heavy spreadsheets that's part of your everyday tasks. Remember, this tool doesn't change the data itself in any way. Instead, it simply changes the way you see and interact with it, offering a cleaner, more structured perspective. Before we finish, here's a quick tip. If you're ever overwhelmed or your sheet looks too cluttered, remember that grouping is just a couple of clicks away. Use this feature to maintain an organized and professional spreadsheet. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be streamlining complex spreadsheets like a pro. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your productivity with Google Sheets.